6:43 this morning. Quick update on the tropics. Over the weekend, Tropical Storm Dorian formed. So our D storm, our fourth named storm of the season, still out in the Atlantic, but getting ready to move into the Caribbean. So what's its current status? It's a pretty strong tropical storm, not at hurricane status yet, but we're already seeing gusts to 70 miles per hour, sustained winds 60, and we do think very slowly the storm is going to continue to intensify. The water certainly is warm enough for that to happen, but there is a little bit of wind shear still over the Caribbean that should keep things in check a little bit. But we do anticipate that by the time it gets to around Puerto Rico or the Dominican Republic, Category 1 hurricane, 75-mile-per-hour winds. So big-time impact certainly for around Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic, Haiti. But look what happens if this forecast holds and it moves right over the island of Hispaniola. That tends to tear these storms up because of the mountains right in the middle of the island. So right now, forecast to just drop back to a depression. But notice, getting awfully close to the United States. Now, this is way far out. This is a 5-day forecast, so this is Friday night, very early Saturday morning. If you go beyond that, look at some long-range models. There are some models that still keep it a tropical depression over Florida. No models are bringing it here to the valley, though, but there could end up being some impacts in the United States before it's all said and done. We'll keep you posted. Today, there's still a chance of rain, but not a great chance. We're talking a 20% chance of seeing showers and storms with the sea breeze in Cameron and Willacy County. Compared to yesterday in Hidalgo County, it's going to be far less impressive. You only have a 10% chance in most of Hidalgo County of seeing rain. And once you get to around La Jolla, on west, it's looking like it's not going to happen today. The sea breeze is just too weak, and so it is going to be very hot. It's kind of good news for the back-to-school day. Glad we're not going to have to worry about the storms that we saw yesterday this afternoon. It is only going to be a few showers around this afternoon, but the problem is the heat is going to be so bad. I do recommend that you send the kids with a bottle of water so they can drink on that if they're going to be standing for the bus in the afternoon or walking home in the afternoon, because it is going to be brutal out there. 102. This is close to record highs for this time of year, and the humidity making it feel even worse. About the only good thing I can tell you is it is going to be breezy with gusts around 25 miles per hour. Another heat advisory everywhere except Starr County, and this is an extra bad heat advisory. I have to point that out because look at the feels like temperatures. No cooler than 111 and could reach as high as 116. That's how bad the humidity is going to be this afternoon. You're going to notice it as soon as you step out the door this morning, and it's still going to be around tonight, and that's why it's going to be a warm night, 81. We're just looking at mostly clear skies. It's going to stay breezy, though, and that also is going to keep our temperatures up. Gusts around 20 miles per hour, looks like for much of the night. And still breezy for Tuesday and Wednesday, too. After Wednesday, though, doesn't look as breezy, and that's not a good thing. If I had to pick the hottest day, it's looking like Thursday right now because not that breezy and still humid. So really the next 4 days are going to be very rough, very unpleasant. Notice no chance of rain Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, but some improvement if you're looking for cooler temperatures and rain chances by the weekend on your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. We're bringing back a 20% chance of showers and storms on Friday. And just like we saw last week, the best chance of rain is the weekend, a 30% chance of showers and storms Saturday and Sunday. And hopefully on Sunday, we'll finally get some normal temperatures for this time of year. We'll be right back after this break.